Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 GT, stock reference number 4637. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre twin turbo diesel engine. With the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, LED right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand LED headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with the good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.